the House of Collab. And let's welcome their opponent introducing team, Mr. Long Apparel.
Ito, sila.
The House of Collab and Mr. Long Apparel will have a 1-minute warm-up, and we will start our game. Still, we are here at the motivated 3x3 Season 4 All-Stars Business Cup category. Here we go.
Welcome back to our continuing coverage ng ating Motivated 3x3 Season 4 All-Star Business Cup category. Dito pa rin tayo ngayon sa Amoranto Arena here in the heart of Quezon City. Good morning ladies and gentlemen. Charles Bechong, James Martinez, and El Chavez at courtside. At laban naman ngayon to ng Team Long Bomb versus the House of Collab. Itong dalawang kumpunan na maglalaro ngayon. James, galing to sa talo parehas.
Parehas galing sa talo. So, tingnan natin kung sino yung unang makakamit ng unang panalo sa kanila. Pero ito placing lang naman eh. 4 teams lang sila, single round robin. Tingnan natin kung sino gusto nila makatapat dun sa semis.
First point goes to Team Long Bomb. Here's JV De La Cruz. Nothing there.
Ito, kaapelyido ko to eh, Martinez.
Oo.
Siya yung unang nakashoot.
Sablay naman ang pangalawang tira ni Martinez. 1-0 to start the ball game. Bola ngayon ng Team Long Bomb.
Ito lang yung nakakatuwa sa Long Bomb na pinapakita nila na kaya nila mag-compete sa mga pro players ng 3x3.
Ang pinagtataka ko, James, bakit hindi pa man nila ginagamit masyado ngayong game na to or nung mga nakaraang dalawang laro? Si Bren Motol. Hindi nag-start si Bren nung nakaraang laro at saka ngayon eh.
Baka nakaramdam na rin ng pagod kasi siyempre bangga ka ng bangga. Tingnan mo yung mga babanggayin mo. Ken Bono, Henry Iloca. Talagang mapapagod ka eh.
Here's Dizon. Inside
to Barry Amin.
Agad namang binawi yan ni JV De La Cruz.
JV De La Cruz showing his 2-ball range.
Martinez against Ken Bono. Barry no good. Iloca with the rebound. Iloca, nothing there. Martinez against Ken Bono. Wala pa rin yan. De La Cruz now to Ken Bono. That sweet shooting big guy. Couldn't knock it down from deep. Dizon, quick trigger. Short. De La Cruz against Dizon. Iloca with the pick. Out to Ken Bono. Mid-range J is
maestro
good.
para kay Ken Bono.
Dizon now to Martinez. Inside. Barry, Amin. Nothing there. Ken Bono taking matters into his own hands. Wala yan. De La Cruz. Reload. De La Cruz knocks it down.
Grabe yung shooting ni JV De La Cruz. Dalawang 2-ball na pinapakita niya sa game na to. Kailangan yan ng team ng House Collab. Kailangan mag-init yung batang yan.
Bono, right corner 3 or 2 rather, it is good. 9-3 is the score.
Meron talaga yan si Ken Bono.
Kala ko dadakdak na.
Ganda nung galaw ni Barry Amin, kaya lang hindi lang niya na-shoot.
Same spot, same result para kay Ken Bono.
Basic na basic para kay Ken Bono yan. Yan yung paborito niya, yung mga corner 3 points eh. Tsaka itong top of the key. Yan ang mga favorite spot ni Ken Bono.
Sobrang serviceable niyang player, lalo na sa 3x3, no, James? Kung sa 5-on-5, medyo mabagal na siya para sa 5-on-5. Pero dito sa 3x3,
Advantage
saktong-sakto
talaga
yung kanyang laro dito.
Pero kahit sa 5-on-5,
Delikado
mismatch
pa
pa rin.
din.
Oo. Ito, pinapakita na ng House of Collab yung dominance nila inside and outside game.
Henry Iloca knocks down that bonus free throw. Kiambao, nothing there. Bono outside. Kahit hindi pumasok yun, James, hindi mo pa rin siya sisisihin yung ganong tira eh. No?
Good shot yun para sa kanya eh. Carl Kiambao, 2 points. May shooting din pala tong batang to.
Nakalimutan natin sa team ng House of Collab, nandiyan pa pala si JP Belenson.
Sabi sa akin ni Bren Moton, ito si KQ daw to ng ng Carl Kiambao daw to ng ng long bomb.
Oh?
Itong si Kiambao.
Pero yung Carl niya C.
Oo.
Meantime, Bren Motol masyadong mahina. Belenson. Mas mahirap i-box out or mas mahirap lumaban sa rebound yung pagkalaban mo yung hindi tumatalon.
Pwestuhan lang ang labanan niya. Oo.
Minsan mas gusto mo pa yung mga athletic kalaban eh kasi talagang maglalabanan lang kayo ng talunan eh. Belenson.
Sayang.
Everything but the shot para kay JP Belenson. Kiambao with 5 seconds to shoot. Carl Kiambao.
Yan, Carl Kiambao unti-unting hinahabol yung kalamangan ng House of Collab. Kailangan nila yun, yung more on 2 points eh. Kasi feeling ko yun ang chance nila para manalo kasi yung size talaga, yung height difference sa ilalim.
Iloca steps back. Iloca knocks it down. Paano mo naman babantayan yun? 7-footer.
May step back. Yes.
3:03 remaining here in the game. House of Collab leading by 7.
Grabe yung pass ni JP Belenson between the leg pass para kay Henry Iloca.
And they now lead by 8. Kiambao. Nothing there. Ken Bono gets the rebound. Bono. Now to Belenson. And
Hey!
Belenson, nothing there. Iloca. He can finish this. Great give and go para dito sa team Long Bomb, Goteza and Kiambao connection.
Yes, nice pass by Goteza.
Oh! Henry Iloca with a sledgehammer.
Grabe. Henry Iloca throwing it down. Grabe yung Henry Iloca talaga.
First dunk of the day.
Yes. Outside naman.
Sa play nga lang yun para kay Henry Iloca. Carl Kiambao coming up with a miss. Belenson. Now it's Goteza, rebound, Bren Motol, and there's a foul against Ken Bono.
Pero yun yung gusto mo makita, hindi nag-give up itong team ng Long Bomb Apparel, di ba? Talagang rumi-rebound pa rin. Lalong-lalo ito si Bren Motol tsaka itong si si CQ ng Long Bomb Apparel.
Ken Bono against Motol, and Ken Bono tinapos na, took matters into his own hands.
Talagang wala nang magagawa rin si Bren Motol doon sa ilalim kasi sobrang lapad, sobrang laki ni Ken Bono.
21-14 is the score. Eurotex Foam game highlights. Tignan natin yung mga nangyari dito sa laro na to. Both teams, ang ganda ng match-up nila. Ganda ng pinakita ng dalawang kuponan natin. But of course, the House of Cola prevailing against Team Long Bomb.
Too much firepower lang para dito sa the House of Cola. Lalong-lalo ito, JV De La Cruz, Ken Bono, Iloca, 2 points din. Di ba? So, talagang mahihirapan ka pag kalaban mo tong House of Collab.
Kung tutusin nga, hindi pa nila masyadong nagamit dito si JP Belenson eh.
Kasi nga, parang hindi na kailangan lang magpahinga. Baka siguro sa semis, kailanganin pa siya. Di ba?
Pero, bigyan natin ng credit ang team Long Bomb. Pero bigyan na natin sa ating courtside reporter, El Chavez, kasamang best player of the game.
So how does it feel that you are the best player for this team?
It feels good. We're just getting our rhythm, so we still have a few more games remaining. So hopefully we can all gel together and get a win here.
Nice, I love that. And of course, what can you say about the motivated 3x3 advocacy?
It's good. The setup is good. Came in this morning quite organized, so we're happy to be here. Happy to play here.
Yeah, I agree. And of course, to be successful in your sport, it's necessary to have fun playing or performing like our player. Back to you, Charles and James.
Henry Iloca, our Gatorade best player of the game. Thank you so much, El Chavez. And our next game, the House of Cola pa din, going up against Team Puso. All of that and more when we return.